In today's fast-paced digital world, taking a step back to unplug can significantly boost our well-being. A digital detox involves disconnecting from screens and technology, allowing our minds to rest and recharge. Research shows that excessive screen time can lead to anxiety, depression, and even sleep disorders. By temporarily reducing our digital consumption, we can improve our focus, enhance creativity, and restore mental clarity. Furthermore, a digital detox encourages us to reconnect with nature and have face-to-face interactions, strengthening relationships and reducing stress. As we diminish the constant influx of notifications, we gain valuable time for self-reflection and personal growth. Embrace the power of a digital detox and experience the profound impact it can have on your mental and physical health. Start small and witness the benefits accumulate over time.